Hey guys, what's up? Here we go again. Today we have some cool news for you guys. We've managed to get a new bike built. Yeah, I know, I'm collecting bikes now, eh? But now this bike is really cool. It's another R6 2008. I will show you guys the bike around and a few things that we have been done today. The paint project on Ghost is gonna be a little bit on hold because I want to get this bike going, because my goal is to put this bike on the road. So when I want to have a road bike, come with me, let's follow this project as well. Yeah, count on you guys. Cool guys, yeah. So there it is, the new bike. We named this bike Dragon. It came missing few things, so the brakes, missing few lines here and there. The front, we're gonna get a replacement. We've missed the extractor here and the brackets. We did get the radiator for it. We don't have the brackets for the clutch. The dash is also broken. From here, those mounts here are broken, so we're gonna get new ones. Apart from that, this case is cracked in here as a hole, so we got a new one, and we're gonna put a seal on it, a gasket in it. Apart from there, the tank is dented here in the other side. This piece is broken, but we've got the complete fairing kit for this bike. This guy here is not working, so we're gonna replace with a new one. Under the seat, this bike didn't come with battery and is missing the bracket here for the tank. Let's see what else we've got here. We've got the lights, good. On this side here, nothing much missing, just need to put oil on it because the other side is broken, so the oil was all gone. We're gonna change the sprockets, everything. In here, as you guys can see, this part. So this is the new bike, Dragon. All the spare fairings that we're gonna put in it. Cool? Cool guys, so we've just assembled the front part of it, but I've looked here and it's missing that. It's a kind of a rubber adapter or something like that, just to seal the air going through the block. But I might take it from Phoenix, or I'll try to source it somewhere. The goal now is to start assembling the rear part of the bike, so putting the fairings on, the underneath, putting the tail light on, and maybe assemble those guys here. This is actually a cool color. I don't know, I'm still like too minded about leaving this one or putting the OEM or not putting it at all. So yeah, let's go and mount. Yeah guys, so we did install the tail part of the bike. A little bit tricky because I haven't installed one in my life before. I've never done it. So I've installed the under tail and just put those two bolts here to fix and those the tail and the undercarriage. Put the top one only on those two fasteners because the one that I have doesn't clear here to click, so I have to get a smaller one. I need to find a rubber bushing here for this guy to clip. I had two small ones, so I put one here, one there, and I did both the tail. So it's pretty solid. Now I'm gonna go through a few things here, but I might stop working for today. Tomorrow I might take the K&N or the filter out to put a K&N in. I might take the battery from Phoenix, put here just to see if the lights works and everything. Cool guys, I hope you guys like the new bike, the new build that we are starting now. I know a lot of projects going on and I keep buying bikes. I swear I will stop now. I have no funds anymore to get more projects, but I hope you guys liked. Tomorrow I'm gonna post a new video with more progress that we've made on the bike. I don't want to make long videos because sometimes people don't like to watch those long videos. They prefer short and make it as a series, you know. So that's my plan. I'm gonna take you guys through everything that I do on this bike, as well as when we start doing some projects on Ghost for the paint. I will keep you guys updated on that too. We've already got the setup for the air compressor running and everything, but I will take it to another video. So it's gonna be a Ghost build project and Dragon build project, so you guys know what we're gonna be talking about and we don't mix few things together. Okay, cool guys, make sure you subscribe, follow us on this project. It's gonna be a really cool project. I have a really cool plan for this particular bike here, as well as our bikes for our Phoenix Racing team. Thanks, cool, see ya.